In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and track.amazon.com. We're going to keep this simple and clear. You'll use Google to find the official Amazon shipping tracking tool, then enter your tracking ID to see the latest delivery status. You can do this on a computer or a phone using any browser you like. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. If your browser opens to a search page by default, you're already where you need to be. Using Google here helps you land on the correct page without memorizing any URLs. In the Google search bar, type the phrase Amazon Track ID. This specific wording is useful because it brings up Amazon's official tracking page right at the top. Press enter and you should see results that include Amazon shipping. In the results, look for the link that mentions Amazon shipping and shows the web address trackAmazon.com. Take a quick moment to verify the domain before you click. You want to see the secure padlock icon and the exact domain trackAmazon.com. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you're using the official tool. Once the Amazon shipping tracking page opens, you'll see a field where you can enter your tracking ID. Type your tracking ID exactly as it appears in your shipping email or message. Tracking IDs are usually a mix of letters and numbers. If you're copying and pasting, watch for extra spaces before or after the code, since those can cause errors. If you're not sure where to find the tracking ID, it's typically included in the shipping confirmation from the seller, on the package label, or in a delivery notification. After you've entered the code, click the Track button. The page will load your shipment details showing the current status, recent scans, and the estimated delivery date if it's available. You might see updates like when the package was picked up, arrived at a facility, or went out for delivery. If the information looks out of date, give it a little time and refresh. Tracking systems update as the package moves. If you get an error or no results, double check that the tracking ID is correct and that it's for a shipment handled by Amazon Shipping. Sometimes newly created labels take a short while to populate. If it still doesn't appear, check with the seller to confirm the code. Or for retail orders placed on Amazon, look under your orders for built-in tracking. That's it. You've used Google to reach track.amazon.com, entered your tracking ID, and viewed your shipment status quickly and securely.